Hey everyone, Kyle Walker here. If you love cars, fixing things, or just want to understand your vehicle better, you're in the right place. I share hands-on tips, smart driving advice, and straight-up car talk without the fluff. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stick around till the end. You don't want to miss what's coming up. Let's get into it.
When a motorist has problems with starting the engine, he remembers the need to recharge the battery. Such a situation is not uncommon in conditions of low temperature in winter. The battery may be undercharged if you forget to close the doors, from prolonged operation of lighting devices or anti-theft alarm system. Whatever the reason, you will always need a reliable charger. But not everyone knows how to choose it correctly. This is the subject of this article. The main characteristics of chargers. Before choosing a charger for your own car battery, the motorist needs to determine what kind of battery is installed on his car. Modern car market offers batteries of wet, AGM, GL types. Wet batteries are the most common and operate on liquid electrolyte. AGM uses glass fiber with impregnation, while GL uses gel. The last two varieties are used much less often and are charged by special devices because they do not well tolerate sharp current and voltage spikes during charging. In addition, it is necessary to find out the value of the battery voltage. Most passenger cars are equipped with 12V batteries. Trucks mostly operate on batteries with a voltage of 24V. Some parameters of the charger should take into account the nominal capacity of the battery, indicated on the sticker. It is also necessary to know this value. Only after finding out these characteristics, you should proceed to the selection of a suitable charger. Chargers are classified according to several parameters. Depending on the purpose, they can be charging, for charging the battery, starting, for start charging, universal purpose. Providing both of the above features. Starter chargers are characterized by a higher price, but their capabilities are wider than other types of chargers. When choosing a device, individual circumstances should be taken into account. If you intend to use it in an electrified garage, you should buy an expensive universal model. However, to start the engine on the road will be useful inexpensive compact device that does not need additional power. Depending on the design, there are pulse and transformer type chargers. Transformer charging is characterized by large dimensions, so for domestic conditions it is worth giving preference to a pulse model. The high price is compensated by smaller dimensions, design perfection, and the presence of short-circuit protection. Read also, what happens if you install a larger capacity battery in the car modes of operation? Any battery can be charged in the following ways: by means of constant voltage, constant electric current, in complex mode. The first of these methods is the most optimal. If constant current is used, charging is much faster, but this method is not very safe for the battery. It is recommended to gradually reduce the power supply during the charging process. Only an intelligent charger has this capability. In it, the current parameters are regulated automatically, and when the battery is fully charged, the device is disconnected without external influence. If the battery is not used for a long time, serves as a spare, such a device can be connected throughout the winter, automatically recharging the battery. If you need to start the engine with a completely empty battery, the choice of charger is obvious. Only a starter charger will do. Some chargers have a boost mode, which allows you to charge the battery in a very short time. But you should not abuse the use of this mode, because the battery wears out very quickly, and such devices are not suitable for all varieties of batteries. Voltage supplied by the charger. When selecting the voltage, this parameter should be taken into account for the car battery. As already mentioned, a 12V battery charger is suitable for passenger cars and a 24V charger for trucks. Motorcycle equipment is charged with a 6V charger. There are universal chargers that provide the ability to switch to different voltage values. But such devices will be needed only in specialized workshops where various equipment is repaired, and they should not be purchased by the average motorist. Charging current. The optimal charging current is selected based on the capacity of the battery. To do this, the specified value should be divided by 10. The nominal value of the charger current should not exceed the obtained value. If you choose a charger with a lower current indicator, the process of charging the battery will last longer, but there will be no harm to the battery. If you buy a charger with a current slightly exceeding the calculated value, but providing for the possibility of adjustment, it will allow you to use the device in a gentle mode at optimal load. You will have to pay a little more for such a product, but it will pay off, as it will ensure the proper quality of battery condition recovery. Types of protection and safety. Chargers are available with the following protection features. From overcharging, stops the process after maximum recovery of the battery without causing its failure. If this option is available, there is no need to worry about constant monitoring of charging. Terminal short circuit, disconnects the device if the positive and negative contacts are closed. Against pole connection error, prevents battery damage if the connection is made with an erroneous change of poles. Against overheating, shuts down the device if the operating temperature exceeds the maximum permissible temperature, from exceeding the maximum charge current limit. If the charging current exceeds the nominal value, there is a shutdown. Read also, the best gasoline canisters. The features of choice. It is recommended to choose a charger with the largest number of listed protections. This will maximize safety from unpleasant situations. To ensure safety in the charging process, the procedure should be carried out in a closed room, garage, workshop, etc. The battery terminals should be cleaned of oxidation, having previously checked the serviceability of the battery. Important, do not allow electrolyte to drip on the battery case. Connection starts from the plus contact. The procedure must be carried out in accordance with the operating manual. Disconnection is done in reverse order. Popular models of chargers. Many motorists are interested in what charger for a car battery is the best, what to choose from a wide range on the modern market. It is difficult to give preference to a certain model and make an objective rating of chargers. But according to numerous customer reviews, in the top of chargers for car batteries are the following manufacturers. The firm, Aiken, offers a wide range of models at a price from 1,900 to 2,600 rubles. Italian company, Telwin, presented the best chargers for car batteries, characterized by the highest quality. The price of an ordinary product, about 2.5 thousand rubles, professional model, up to 13.5 thousand rubles, Caliber, a popular domestic brand. Model ZU 100 will cost 1,800 rubles, professional ROM. 2.0/12. 0C is more expensive, up to 5,000 rubles. Latvian brand Rizanta presents the model PU1 at a price of about 2,300 rubles and PU2 with a large number of options at 3,800 rubles. Any motorist will be able to choose the right device at a reasonable price, so as not to be caught off guard by a suddenly discharged battery. In conclusion, selecting the right charger for your battery is crucial for ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Remember to consider factors such as compatibility, charging speed, safety features, and the type of battery you are using. By taking the time to choose a charger that meets these criteria, you can protect your investment and enhance the efficiency of your devices. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you make informed decisions in the future.